Hello everybody and welcome to a unexpected live because my pre-order arrived. Yay! I am so excited. So I should introduce myself first. My name is Tatiana. I'm from Tatiana Creative Stamping Adventure. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And this afternoon I had a beautiful big brown box, the BBB come, and that is filled with goodies from this catalogue. So hello Vicky, hello Tanya, thanks for joining me. This is the August to December mini catalogue. Stampin' Up is altering a little bit how they're distributing, how long their catalogues will be running for. And traditionally this was called, well, not traditionally, lately, as of the last couple of years, this was called the holiday catalogue, and it started not in August but in September and ran through till the end of December. Now this year it's starting in August, and next year it'll start in July. So very exciting, because the mini catalogues will run for 6 whole months. So 6 whole months of amazing goodies and inspiration and fun, really. Hi Megan. I cannot show you the inside of this catalogue. It is for demonstrator eyes only, and last week on, what was it, Tuesday or Wednesday? Wednesday was the first. We were able to, oh yes, I've got my little assistant here today. Would you like to say hello? There we go. So I was able to order from this catalogue as a pre-order, and I have, and it arrived today. Let's just take a quick close-up look of the front cover. There is some beautiful different sweets and stamp sets shown, even though they're all the same tone. I just love the way they've laid this out, the rolling hills of snow and the cards and the packaging. And same. You like that too? It's so... Tanya says hello. Hello. Now this one here is a Snowflake Bundle. Now I do know we live in Australia. I am not oblivious to it, but I love snowflakes. So I will be getting that, but that's not what I got in the pre-order. I am leaving that for another time. Couldn't get everything. Megan says good afternoon, little miss. But there's beautiful trees and sleighs and poinsettias. Somebody may have gotten those. Anyhow, enough looking at that. One thing I should say though is, if you join my team, you could place your order today, and you could put in your starter kit any of the products from this catalogue, so it'll show up when you're going through the items. And the starter kit is only $169, and you get to choose $235 worth of products from any catalogue that's currently running with Stampin' Up, including in pre-order, and you get free postage. Anyhow, so what are you going to pass me first? Can we first do these two things? Now, yes, sure. One of the perks of being a demonstrator, apart from pre-order, is that we can order some great logo items. So since I was doing my pre-order, Tanya's heard it's a great little team. Not that Tanya is biased. So I'm just opening. So I'm a bit of a sucker for logo items. And I kept forgetting to order this notebook, though after I placed my order a few hours later I found out there was more. Oh, that's a nice notebook. I'm going to look forward to. And I don't know if the lighting is picking that up, but that big flower and these flowers, oh, the flowers are all like glossy and the rest of it's all matte. Anyhow, and then I also picked up the keyring. It's much bigger than I expected. But it is nice. It's solid, can I just say. Oh, there we go. This is solid. It's got some weight to it. You're gonna, yeah, it has weight to it. But it's beautiful. I'm not sure if I'd use it for keys though, but it's fun to have either way. Okay, now pass me that ribbon that you had. I should also say that, oh well, this is a combo pack. There currently is the July bonus day. So if you spend, for every $90 you spend, you get a $9 voucher. So I made sure I had a threshold of that, and therefore I bought this. This is the Wonder of Season Ribbon Combo Pack, and it has this beautiful, from memory, it is spruce, shaded spruce.
That's a very nice colour.
It is a very nice colour, and I was just saying it's shaded spruce, and it's an argyle ribbon. Can you see that? Yeah, it's showing up. Isn't that pretty? And this will be amazing for wrapping, gift packaging.
And a very nice card as well.
Oh, and a very nice card. If I do this, it's going to make massive but stunning bows.
That's so pretty.
So pretty. Hey Priscilla, how are you? So there we go. That's a nice bow, and then it comes with this gold trim. Yep.
It's very shiny a little bit.
Very shiny. Well, it's shiny because it's still got the plastic on top.
Oh.
There we go. Hello, Debbie. And this gold trim is lovely. It's not going to easily, I mean, it can. There's a bit of sticky tape on the end there, but it...
Ooh, I felt something that feel a little bit...
Oh, you're not that late. It's not late at all. This is the first product catalog item I'm sharing, so you're on time as far as I'm concerned. It is beautiful. I wonder how will it tie.
Same.
I think it'll tie nicely as well. Yeah, oh, it does. It ties nice bows. Beautiful. And so we've got the other gold trim, I'm just going to grab it. So in the annual catalogue we have, where did it go? Did you catch any fish, sweetheart?
I caught shrimp on a rain day.
Oh, they let it go.
Fish.
My husband is the...
A little bit on the small side.
Oh dear.
Oh, no, that's good. They're 45.
Okay. I am doing a live right now. So this is the gold trim for from the Forever Greenery combo pack, and I just wanted to compare the two. This is more...
Darker?
It's darker, that's right. It's thicker, and so this one, the Forever Greenery one, is more like a twine where it's twisted around each other and it untwines. Whereas this trim is, it's like it's been woven into each other, and so it's a bit more solid is the word that's coming to mind. I don't know if that's the right word. Anyhow, we're going to move on. Do you want to pass me the next thing? Yes, so Mummy or Mama or Tatiana chose the Poinsettia Sweet, and this is real red. And what's it called? It's sheer ribbon. This is part of the Poinsettia Suite.
That's very nice.
It is very nice. So Debbie says hello as well, sweetheart.
Hello.
I don't think your hand was in camera then, but that's okay.
Hello. Huh?
The iPad is on delay. So there. So that's, oh, that's so pretty. And it's very sheer. I mean, it's called sheer ribbon, so it lives up to its name.
It's kind of, you can see through it.
That's what sheer means.
Oh.
You can see through it. Next thing. Next, in this suite, these are, they're called Beaded Pearls. And I'll be honest, I wasn't going to get them, but then I think they'll look amazing. Hey John, hope you're well. So it's a combo of 3 pearls, and they're on like a little silver backing, and you've got some silver bits, and that looks very good, and they would be perfect for the insides of the poinsettias. Next, what else is part of the suite? Well, then might as well grab the dies as well. The main part of the suite, shall we move on to? No, not those. There. It's the Poinsettia petals. Now, please let me know if I'm setting this right. I actually don't know how to pronounce Poinsettia. Setia. I think that's right. Anyway, I just fell in love with this stamp set. It is a photopolymer. There's 2 sheets to it. And what's really cool is that this poinsettia here is all laid together. And then you've got 3 big ones, which you can layer. You've got some leaves. You've got 2-step stamping, so those can fit into the leaves and into the flowers. I like this, what's it called?
Branch.
It's a branch. It's this one here. It's like a pine tree branch. It looks like it's got a pine cone. I love this little holly or berry, and then you can stamp in the berries.
Mama?
Yes, sweetheart.
I think you could, when you make a Christmas card, you could use that and put it on the Christmas tree.
Oh, there we go. Someone's thinking already. And we have some wonderful sentiments. May magic and wonder bloom this holiday. Isn't that lovely? Warm wishes from our home to yours. I love sending that Christmas cards with that. Thank you for making this wonderful season. Thank you for making this a wonderful season. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. So lots of great sentiments, lots of amazing things. Hi, Joan. Cough in the middle. Thank you for sharing. And this does have coordinating dies. And what's so exciting about these dies is that we have the outline. Yep, so we can pull that off and we can cut that flower out if I line it up correctly.
Oh, that's the wrong way. It might be that one.
No. Actually, yes, you're right. That one's for the big one. You were right. You were right. That's for the big one and it goes this way. Somewhere. There. Perfect. Or you can use that just to die cut cardstock and insert this, and that embosses the veins. So it's multi-purpose. Yep. And this one just does a little bit of embossing. We've got, and that one too, we've got some centers. We can, oh, there we go. We can die cut that. Yeah, we can die cut out these berry branch, and then that die cuts out the what did I call it, pine tree branch. So lots and lots of possibilities.
Yep.
Do you want to grab something else from that box of goodies? Oh no, that's from the wrong box. Underneath the catalogues.
Okay.
I don't know. Now I don't know which way. Yep. Okay, but wait, there's more elements to this suite.
Mama, this is pretty.
Yes. The next element to the suite is the designer series paper. Now I have to say, I love this. I love the white, and I know it's not gold, but yellowish tones, vanilla. Yes, I do agree. Vanilla, you think it's very vanilla-ish? Actually, I'm not going to pull that plastic completely off because I like to store the paper in the plastic until I get something else. So let's pull out one of each of the shades. We have this one.
Is it double-sided?
It sure is, sweetheart, with pine cones in the back. So the colours are Bumblebee, Garden Green, Old Olive, Real Red, Soft Suede, and Whisper White. So this, I'm guessing, is a lightened version of Very Vanilla. Anyway, so we've got pine cones. Then the next sheet is poinsettias.
That's some pine cones.
With pine cones. That is gorgeous. That is really, really gorgeous. And this die right here
That one
will cut out. So that on camera? Yes.
Yeah.
We'll cut out that. So you could use the paper on its own, or you could die cut it out. So it won't cut out every single one of these flowers, but we'll cut out
I think
the one
we'll
in that
cut out
position.
this one as well.
I think you're right. Clever girl. Now, what's
the
next?
one?
Oh, have we seen the other side of this one yet?
Nope.
No, we have not.
Ooh.
Beautiful.
Uh-huh.
I don't know which side to use.
I think this side's pretty.
They're both pretty. Then we have this one.
That's so pretty.
And wood texture on the back.
I wonder what's the wood for.
Oh, for prettiness, sweetheart. We have more poinsettias.
Wow. That's kind of nice.
It is nice. And
What's at the back?
flip.
Whoa.
Oh, I love that.
That looks very nice at the back.
I do love this one.
Pineapple.
I don't know. Russians love mushroom picking, which has never really gotten me particularly into. No, I've never taken you mushroom picking because I don't enjoy the leeches, frankly.
What's leeches?
These insects that stick onto you and suck your blood out. Anyhow, nice interlude. But I do love pine cones, so do love that one. Oh, that's very nice too. I really like the tone on tone.
These two colours are very nice.
Yes, they are. Ooh, there is.
That's very nice.
There we go. You must get it because it is very, 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 very nice. Yes, we have. This is hollies. And oh, another tone on tone. Beautiful. Honestly. Okay, that is all the... So you get 2 sheets of each of those. I've only pulled out 1 of each. But wait, there's more. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Very, 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 very last thing in this suite are these, and let me get the name right, Plush Poinsettia Specialty Paper. Now there are 6 sheets in here, and no, I do want to cut because I don't want to have that sticky thing sticking up. And there's 3 designs.
That's nice.
So there's one. And why don't you take a feel of that and you tell everyone, what does it feel like?
It feels a little bit soft
And
and
almost furry or fluffy.
yeah.
Yeah. So that's the second
That is
design.
pretty similar.
Yes, they all feel
Not the
similar.
definitely not.
It does have an interesting odor, may I just say.
They're kind of shimmery.
And then a poinsettia, but it does feel amazing.
Mama?
Yes.
I think you could put the die cut on that and it'll cut
You
out
think-
some.
The die will cut some of these out. I'm not sure about that one.
I think they can somehow.
Oh, actually, little miss is right. There we go. The die does fit on this velveteen paper. Oh, is it velveteen? Let me...
I think it is.
It says specialty paper. I just flick to the right page of the catalogue, which I don't remember which it is. There it is. Let's see. It's flocked design on white vellum. And some images may be cut out using the dies. You were absolutely right. So it's flocked. It reminds me of the velveteen. Is it velveteen or velvet? Oh, I can't remember. The paper that the white paper we got with a Snowflake showcase. Okay, well, I shall let you all go. Thank you and catch you next time. Bye for now.